Frequently asked questions. What is checklist vol. 10. Inside, you get access to 18 checklists revolving around the topic of self-publishing. Volume 10 contains all the information you need to get things started. Plus, you get an exclusive training webinar and bonus reports as well. Why should you get the checklist? This is the next best thing to having me show you how to get the best results online. These checklists come from over 10 years of online business experience, and you can get your hands on them today at a big discount. Who should get this? Anyone looking to save time, stay focused, and get better results needs this. How much is this? Although these are easily worth $197 or more, you won't invest anywhere near that today. What will this do for me? This is a massive shortcut to success that makes it easy for anyone to copy what I'm doing in my 7-figure online business. What if I don't like what I see? You are protected by our money-back deal. You get 14 days to make sure these are for you. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just let me know, and I'll get you a prompt refund. You get these 18 checklists you can easily follow to go from thinking about writing a book to actually writing, publishing and profiting from one, or sell as your own product because of the PLR license. Book planning checklist. Go from not knowing where to start with your book to having a clear direction on what your book will be about, plus also a roadmap for how you'll profit from it. Book writing checklist. Writing the traditional way is a long and tedious process, but with this checklist we'll cover what you need to know to get your book done faster than a politician makes excuses. Book cover checklist. People do judge books by the cover, but with this checklist you'll know exactly what to include on your book cover to ensure it grabs attention and demands your reader to want to know more. Book publishing checklist. Get the inside track to all of the essential ingredients needed to take your finished book and get it published properly on all of the major book distribution platforms. Book marketing checklist. Publishing is step 0. Actually marketing your book is where the fun starts, and with this checklist you'll have a one-page plan of attack to getting your book into your readers' hands. Create space upload checklist. Here we walk you through step-by-step the process of uploading your book and publishing it on CreateSpace, Amazon's publishing arm. Lulu upload checklist. A step-by-step checklist for publishing your book on Lulu. Kindle upload checklist. A guide on converting and publishing your book in Kindle format, allowing you to reach millions of digital readers. Amazon advertising checklist. A step-by-step walkthrough with sample copy on how to set up a profitable Amazon advertising campaign. Book online advertising checklist. Advertising your book online is a fantastic way to get more readers and make more sales, and this checklist will make sure you won't miss anything when it comes to advertising your book online. Giveaway model book final checklist. Giving your book away 100% free can be a genius way of generating boatloads of leads, and here we cover what you should and shouldn't do if using this model. Free plus shipping model book final checklist. The free plus shipping model is the book model to beat them all, and it allows you to attract buyer leads instead of just normal leads. Here we walk you through the entire free plus shipping book model. Local book launch checklist. Launching your book locally is a fantastic way to instantly become a local celebrity, and with this checklist you'll have plan for launching it locally the right way. Online launch checklist. Launching your book online is another way to get a lot of book buyers fast, and this checklist gives you a step-by-step plan on what needs to be done. Book lead generation sales checklist. You can generate tons of leads both online and offline with your book, and this checklist covers the best methods to use to ensure you always have more leads than you can handle. Book backend checklist. Your book should be the first step in your sales process, and how to turn book buyers into high-ticket sales is covered in this checklist. Book speaking gigs checklist. Speaking gigs, getting them and actually delivering them is so much easier when you're a published author, and this checklist gives you a plan for landing keynote speaking gigs. Book translation checklist. Translating your book into a second language doesn't have to be tricky. With the simple checklist, you'll know what to do and what not to do to get your book translated into multiple languages. 14-day, no questions asked. Money-back guarantee. Although the low pricing makes this a total no-brainer, to make this easy for anyone to get now, I'm also going to give you the next 14 days to test it out. If you think in any way that these top-notch checklists are not for you, just send me an email within the refund period and we'll give your tiny investment back.